Hello, good day. My name is Rai and I'm a student counselor at Cap College Foundation Incorporated. Gusto mo ba makapagtapos ng 4 na taong kurso sa kolehiyo or bachelor's degree courses sa pamamagitan lamang ng online distance learning at sa paraang modular approach? Yes, tama ang iyong narinig. Maaari ka nang magkaroon ng iyong bachelor's degree kahit saan ka man sa Pilipinas o kahit saan man sa mundo. Maaari ka nang mag-enroll at mag-aral sa pamamagitan ng distance learning. Ang Cap College Foundation Incorporated ay CHED accredited school sa Pilipinas at nag-o-offer kami ng mga bachelor's degree courses kagaya ng Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, Bachelor of Arts in Sociology, Bachelor of Arts in History, Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, at Bachelor of Arts in Information Technology. Nag-offer din ng Cap College Foundation ng mga business degree related courses kagaya ng Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Human Resource Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Operations Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Business and Economics, at Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Financial Management. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-enroll na sa Cap College Foundation Incorporated. Mag-message lamang sa aking Facebook account at Rai Oliver Morales, sa aking Instagram at Rai Oliver Morales, at mag-comment lamang dito sa TikTok at sa aking YouTube channel at Rai Oliver Morales.